Welcome to my hungry family. We don't make it unless it's delicious. Let's make some pancakes. We've got milk, cake flour, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and baking powder. First, we'll separate our egg white and egg yolk into 2 bowls. The yolk prevents the egg whites from whipping into a foam. So if you want a cake that rises well, you have to separate the egg. The yolk provides richness to the batter, while the whipped whites make it nice and fluffy. Chiffon cakes and soufflés, which we are making today, are a good example of this. By the way, if you separate your eggs while they're cold, the yolks are less likely to break and it's easier to separate the yolk from the white. You can separate the eggs first and then let them sit for 20 or 30 minutes to come to room temperature before proceeding with the rest of your recipe if you like. Now we'll whip our egg whites into a nice foam while slowly adding in our sugar. That's nice and fluffy. Now we'll add in our milk, vanilla extract, cake flour, and baking powder to our egg yolk and blend. Now we'll stir in our whipped egg white into the egg yolk mixture and stir it together. Now that we've made our souffle pancake batter, we're ready to make pancakes. Oil the pan. Spoon in your batter into the pan into round shapes. The goal with the souffle pancakes is usually to build them up as high as you can. If you have a round metal baking mold, you can use that. Or you can just pile them as high as you can. Next, we'll cover them with a metal pan and let them cook for a few minutes. Flip them over, cook for another minute. These pancakes are so light and fluffy. Time to eat. Yum. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. We're going to serve ours with strawberries and agave nectar. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos coming weekly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.